Dear students, in the previous video we have seen regarding measuring systems, methods, direct and indirect measuring system, and gauging, tool monitoring. In tool monitoring also two types: direct tool monitoring and indirect tool monitoring. In this we shall see about ATC, in the sense automatic tool changer. So the machine itself, it will take up the cutting tool and it will insert in the machine according to the programmed tool, one after the other. So it allows the machine to work with a large number of tools, so operator work is reduced. Where, say, manufacture of prismatic components like gearbox, bulkheads, frames, brackets, etc. and all related to machining operations to be performed. So this ATC helps a lot. The CNC machine tools and our multifunction machines, they are equipped with such type of ATC which is capable of carrying more number of tools for depending upon the what type of processes has to be processed, etc. Of course it increases speed, accuracy, but at the same time it creates more challenges compared to the manual tool change. Tools used in ATC are secured in tool holders specially designed for this purpose. So the tools are also arranged in a systematic manner in this case, as how they are located or how they are stored in the toolbox, which is called as tool magazine, so that it will support all the cutting tools. So in that sense, the main parts of ATC are base, gripper arm, tool holder, support arm, and tool magazines. So according to this, what type of supporting, say, storage device concerned, which is called as magazine, tool magazine, there are two types. You can see a round type of ATCs, tool changers, as it is round in the shape, so that around the periphery, circular way, the tools slots will be there and tools are inserted, so that less than 30 number of tools can be inserted in there. And another one is chain type tool changer, where it holds more than 30 also sometimes. It's important to note that the number of tools for the drum type is lesser, but the tool search speed will be lower in this case. You can see the diagram over here, how the tools are how the tools are supported, and tool gripper also you can see, which grips the tool, individual tool, and it helps in inserting or supporting on the tool spindle or whatever. So it is computerized machine tools to improve the production and tool carrying capacity of the machine, etc. It also inserts very quickly so that time is reduced. Simple CNC machine work with a single tool, and whereas turret can work with a large number of tools. But even more than this, if it is required, then these automatic tool changes are provided, which are stored in the tool magazine. This we have seen about the tool magazines and the types. Few more the 2D diagram you can see here, how the gripper rotates, and in drum type it rotates and it holds the tool and inserts in the spindle or the machine. The tool handling system, that total system is called as a handling system, transfers the tool from the tool storage and tool room to the individual tool magazines on each machine. Depending on tool changeover requirements, the tool handling system can serve several machines. One, say, tool magazine, it can serve many machines. A tool handling system equipped with an time and increases machine utilization also. Two types you can see here in the images or the diagram. So a round type one, and then chain type also, and another image is also there, the same, about the round type of tool magazine. Magazine means a storage device. So the support system, as we said in the previous slides, it is concerned with preparing tools for the production in time. The functions performed in the tool storage system are tool identification, tool storage, tool presetting, etc. Additional support executed in the tool storage and support system includes build up tool assemblies, return from the machines, and tear down of tool assemblies. So two types of typically used stalkers, or rack stalker and disc stalker types of supporting system or storage system is provided. So all, of course, the movement or the replacement of the tools in this system is based on the program. So everything, the program is written in the program itself. Namings, they are given as a T01, T02. So depending upon the type of the process or operations.